Alright, here's a 20-inch Airworks box fan from 2002 to 2003, made by Lasko. This one has the venturi-grille at the front. And the model number for this is 20BA, but I'm pretty sure it's a rebadged 3750, if I'm not wrong. And I restored this fan, cleaned it up, repainted it, and of course oiled it, and now it looks and runs great. So, funny story, I actually ran out of paint as I was repainting it. So that's why you can see some dull spots here and there, where it really should look like this, a smooth gloss finish all the way around, but I don't really mind. You can't really see it from certain angles. It's only when you see it with the light reflecting off of it. It's got 3 speeds. The handle's a little yellowed right there, but otherwise it's fully intact, which is kind of surprising to see on these Lasko fans. There's the logo. It's got the D blades, which I find kind of interesting on a newer Lasko box fan. A lot of the American Lasko box fans stopped using these blades at around 1999 or 2000 if I remember correctly. Whereas the Canadian Laskos actually kept using the D blades up until around, I think, 2006. So, fun fact right there. Turn to the side. Still has the hole for a stand. Interesting. Ooh, I don't really want to run the cord over, but oh well. There's the back of it. Of course, I cleaned up the motor and oiled it. It's got the newer PSC motor. Oh yeah, I also replaced the cord. This is not the original cord because the original cord was actually splitting apart right around there, so I put a new one in. There's another back view of it. Here's a look at the bottom of the fan and the information sticker. It's model 20BA, 1.1 amp, and made in USA. Also got this stamped information. It's very hard to see, but right there it says 2002 to 2003. And as far as I know, this is not a recalled model. I think it was only the American versions that were recalled, not the Canadian ones. So I've never seen a notice for these Canadian Laskos for a recall, so maybe these had like a different motor or something, I don't know. But yeah, it's also missing both of the feet, but I don't really mind. Alright, so we'll flip the fan back around and run it. Alright, it's also really hot in here, so without further ado, here is high speed. Well, that's refreshing. It's actually very powerful for a newer box fan. And also the venturi-grilles help focus the air. So, it's a very nice fan. Turn down to medium. But this cabinet's actually wide enough that it doesn't tip over on its own when it's on hard floor. When it's on carpet, it's a different story, but I don't really use it on carpeted floors. Still moving a lot of air. It's actually not that loud either. I'll turn it down to low speed, which is very quiet, pushing out a good breeze. I'll show you the back view. pulling the curtains around. Alright, we'll fire it back up to high speed here. And a spin down. Let's get a good spin down time. So anyways, that is the Airworks 20-inch box fan from 2002 to 2003. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.